Every BMW is equipped with Dynamic Stability Control, a system that automatically intervenes in oversteer and understeer situations to help stabilize the car and get it back on the driver's intended path. This warning light, which indicates that DSC is not fully active, will display in the instrument cluster under two conditions. First, this light will illuminate if you activate Dynamic Traction Control by pressing this button, or by placing your vehicle in Sport Plus mode using Driving Dynamics Control. When Dynamic Traction Control is selected, the word Traction will also display in the instrument cluster. Dynamic Traction Control provides a little better grip in slippery conditions by allowing for a little more wheel spin before the DSC system intervenes. Second, this light will illuminate if you completely turn off the DSC system. To do so, press and hold this button for several seconds. The phrase DSC off will display in the instrument cluster as well. In either case, full DSC can be re-engaged by simply pressing this button once.